Oh yeah!
Hello friends, this is George from GeoTubeHD and I got the Spy Gear toys. I have the Spy Gear night goggles, I got this for Christmas, the Spy Gear door alarm, the Spy Gear dart track. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to start first with the night goggles. So it has blue glasses part, some blue lights, and you can turn it off, super off. So you put it on, turn this on, and do this. I see you, la 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 la. Okay, second we have the door alarm. Do you know what that does? Okay, now I'm going to set it on.
Okay, third, we got the dart trap. So, do you know what it does? So you do this, you put 3 darts in, and then you have to be careful. Okay. Oh, guys, subscribe my channel.